All right. If you are in Houston or any of the surrounding areas and are looking for flood insurance or renters, property, business, auto, motorcycle, watercraft, home, life, personal umbrella, or recreational vehicle insurance, let me show you Baxter Insurance Agency. They can be reached at 281-445-1381. Go visit their site at baxter-agency.com. They will shop for the best price for you. So go check them out now and just report back. Let us know what you think. Give us a call at 281-445-1381 right now.